For those clinging to their trusty older MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, the OWC Aura Pro X2 SSD upgrade kit might be the lifeline you've been searching for. This isn't just a simple SSD swap. It's a complete solution designed to breathe new life into machines from the 2013 to 2017 era. The Aura Pro X2 boasts impressive speed gains, with read speeds reaching up to 3,127 megabytes s and write speeds topping out at 2,807 megabytes s. This translates to significantly faster boot times, application loading, and overall system responsiveness. It leverages the NVMe PCIe 3.1 x4 interface, a considerable upgrade over the original factory-installed drives in many of these older MacBooks. OWC has made the upgrade process remarkably user-friendly. The kit includes everything needed: the Aura Pro X2 SSD itself, the necessary tools for disassembly, and even an Envoy Pro enclosure. This enclosure is a clever addition, allowing you to repurpose your original factory SSD as an external drive via USB 3.1 Gen 1. It's like getting a bonus external SSD for backups or extra storage. A carrying case for the Envoy Pro is also included, which is a nice touch. Compatibility is key, and the Aura Pro X2 covers a range of models, including the MacBook Pro Retina, 13-inch and 15-inch, late 2013 to mid-2015, and the MacBook Air, 11-inch and 13-inch, mid-2013 to mid-2017. OWC provides detailed installation guides specifically tailored to each supported model, minimizing the risk of errors during the upgrade. The Aura Pro X2 is designed for macOS 10.13 and later, so ensure your system meets this requirement before installation. The upgrade is relatively straightforward, but patience and careful attention to the instructions are crucial. With a 5-year OWC limited warranty, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. The OWC Aura Pro X2 SSD upgrade kit offers a compelling way to extend the lifespan and improve the performance of older MacBooks. If you're looking to avoid buying a new machine and want to give your current MacBook a significant speed boost, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.